How to dub a video into any language using AI and ElevenLabs. Hi guys, let's get into it. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can dub any video or your voice into any language whatsoever. So the software that we're going to be using is called ElevenLabs.io, and it's absolutely free. There is a pricing plan, but it's mostly free. So if we open it up over here in another tab, over here is the pricing plan. We can see that there are three pricing plans: the creator, the starter, and the free. And as you can see, there's a free plan, so you can go ahead and use that. In this one, you get speech synthesis, no commercial license, 10,000 characters per month, create up to 3 custom videos, create up to 3 custom voices, create random voices using voice design, and a bunch of more. And you also have high quality 128 kbps audio output, which is pretty cool. Whereas if you go ahead and upgrade your account to a starter, you get $1 per month. It's going to cost you that. Right now there's a deal, so it's 80% off. What's included is everything in the free plan with upgraded 30,000 characters per month, create up to custom voices. You get a commercial license included and access to the instant voice clothing, which is pretty cool as well. Then we have the creator, and as you can see, it's $11 and you get a bunch of more stuff. But anyway, it is free. We're going to be using it. Let's go ahead and sign up and use it. You can sign up with your Google account or email or password. And once you have signed up, this is how it looks like. So over here, you have your task, text to speech, all right? Speech to speech, you can choose whatever you want. You have your settings over here. You have your multiple voices. Let me hear you. Let's take a look at Santa Claus.
Courage is not the absence of fear, but simply moving on with dignity despite that fear.
I don't know. I've never heard Santa Claus, but let's
Allow the world to live as it chooses, and allow yourself to live as you choose.
So that was Adam. So you get the idea, right? Let's take a look at Gigi.
Happiness can exist only in acceptance.
But yeah, I think it looks pretty cool. So we can go ahead and use this. So let's go ahead and select Adam. We have voice settings over here. We have stability, all right, unstable, and more stable. So we'll go ahead and go with near 30%. We have clarity over here plus similarity, and style exaggeration will go with 50%. And then we have the model. So we have 11 multilingual V2. So these are all the languages. This is the V1. This is the 11 English. This is the only English. This is the 11 Turbo V2. This is only available in English as well. So let's go ahead and select this one. And I'm going to go ahead and type a random text. All right, let's go ahead and play it. We can add more stuff to it, but I think this is good enough. So let's go ahead and generate and see what it comes up with. All right, it's done it. Let's take a look and hear it.
Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling hills and lush forests, there lived a curious young girl named Elara. She was known for her insatiable thirst for knowledge and her love.
It's a little bit slow, not gonna lie. It's a little bit slow. But we can change it to whatever we want. So this looks pretty good. Maybe let's go ahead and type something in another language. All right. So now we have written it in Japanese and it's generated. Let's take a listen.
昔も寄付に組んだ木と清漏れとした森に重なまれた小さな村があります。
Now, I don't know any Japanese, but I think that sounds like Japanese. Let me know in the comment sections what this is. This accurate or not? I think it's pretty cool. Let's look and listen to the rest of it.
その村には好奇心旺盛な少女エララという命の子が住んでいました。彼女は知識を求める欲求に満ち。
Let me actually translate it into another language. Take a listen. I translated it into Hindi.
एक समय की बात है, एक छोटे से गांव में जो पहाड़ों और हरित जंगलों से घिरा हुआ था, वहाँ एक उत्साही सी लड़की रहती थी, जिसका नाम इला.
Okay, I know a little bit of Hindi, and that definitely sounds good. That's actually incredible. We can even have speech to text, so we can translate our own words into whatever we want. So I think this looks pretty good. This is actually really, really good. You can just simply go ahead and download the audio by clicking on the download, and you can dub any video or any voice into any language using ElevenLabs, and that's how you do it. So thank you guys for watching. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think about it, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Until then, take care and goodbye.